everyone just illustrate the difference between sensuality and sex using a film, a song, a book?
Okay, you know the Aradhana song?
Group
Tera,
theatre.
that is sensuous.
Right?
There's hardly any touching in that. The expressions, the music, the lyrics, it's sensuous because I feel it's appealing to a whole lot of your senses. You're loving the music, you're looking at the scene where, and surprisingly there's not much of touching. There's no pelvic thrust over there at all.
My God.
So
What
that
would Mithun do?
So that is like a very sensuous number, and I feel most of our sensuous numbers, I think maximum were in the pre-80s, you can say, more in the 70s and 60s, and now it's more of pelvic thrust and all that. So sensuality
Give me one song from now which for you.
Suraj Va Madhyam again I found was a very sensual song.
No, so now the opposite.
As per Mr. Dash.
Yeah.
Bordering vulgarity.
Yeah, it's not a
Chandu
sensuous
Bab
number.
also.
It's not a sensuous number. But now he's not a sensuous number. Whereas the said actress said she wanted to copy Helen and all that, but where was Helen and where the said actress is? The sensuality was missing. That could have been such a lovely number otherwise.
Amrita?
Yeah, I think same thing. Olden times.
You can't
You
use
know,
the
there
same
was more.
example.
No, I'm not. There was more grace about the sensuality. The lyrics, the tune, the setting, everything mattered so much. I think I can think of two songs which pretty much mean the same. One is Aanchal mein kya jeer pehra badal versus Choli ke piche kya hai. You look at the difference between the two. They're extremely sensual and extremely sensual.
For me, sensuality, Mr. India, Sri Devi, dancing in the rain in her sari, very sensual. We didn't even see Mr. India. She was still dancing. That was great. And sexuality, why Mr. Ranveer Singh? Dish kya? I mean, you can't do better than that. I mean, he's doing the whole pelvis with the gun. I mean, there are so many double meanings out there that, you can't even go there.
Since Apu spoke about sex and sensuality, I was reminded of a joke. A boy went to college and he was filling up a form, and the form said name and then said sex. He wrote 5 times a week. So the teacher was a little upset. She said, no, beta, you should not write all this. You should write male or female. He said, doesn't matter. So this is what sex is coming to now. And I think I would take it, since all of you spoke from songs and movies, since I'm a branding student, in advertisements, if you look at the Eto Bada Toying Hai advertisement, where the monkeys are monkeying around, what is the message that is being communicated vis-a-vis an advertisement for a Wildstone ad, which is again, so overtly sexual advertisements are also seen today. And like an Axe advertisement where all the girls start running and after him and chasing him or attack, or that the Macro Man advertisement where Hrithik Roshan is just sending and cutting the tent and something happens. So, but they go together. I think sex without sensuality is like a refrigerator without the electricity. So I think they both have to be there. Yeah. Good.
The titillation you get from the sensuality, is, I think, that's more. I'm not sure that is the right.